What's up, guys? Welcome back. Patreon request from CM Nate over on Patreon. This is Snow White from The Wolf Among Us video game. So, well, I think it's a video game. I'm on the landscape page. Use a pencil and an eraser. Hit pause if I go too fast. So, female character in 3/4 pose. So when you have a face in 3/4 pose, one side of the face is smaller than the other. Okay? That's the main thing to remember. So we start with the eye. Center point of my page is about there, and we're just up above that center point a little bit, right? So the head is like from here to here, so the eyes would be about there. Start with the top eyelid line, so we curve up and down. Okay, and you want to thicken up the top eyelid line a little bit and add like a spike just at the front, just for eyelashes. The bottom eyelid line, so we go like just down around here and into the corner. Some of this be underneath her hair, so you might see all of it. And just it's like dark shadow in here. Iris, just a circle sort of looking down to the left, right? So we will put it in the left hand side of the eye, like so, and then our pupil just here in the middle, quite big, like so. Top eyelid line, up, down, like so. So eyebrow, right? So we can see like starts of a nose line there, and then the eyebrows are kind of like done in real hairy with black, right? So we'll just draw in the shape. So it just comes up a real shaped sort of eyebrows there, and then you could color it in black then. And they are like colored hairily. With some gaps in between it, right? So it's kind of like that. So her nose, the other eye is in behind the nose, right? So the nose curves down like so, and then around the front into there. And then we have a nostril, hooks itself around, and we just add a shadow in there. Back at the nostril, like that, and like a little V line or something there, and a line on the tip of her nose there. So the other eye, just in behind the nose, down, so we're like on this diagonal line, okay? Now this is the small eye, right? And like roughly, say like the eye shape here, it's like nearly a full eye would fit from this point to this point, right? So nearly, not quite, right? It's a bit tight. So like here to here is the same as like here to here. Just like if you cut off, say there is hair that comes down here. So if you cut off that part of her eye, that measurement brings you to the edge of her nose, okay? So it's not like a full eye, nearly a full eye. And then we curve this line over. Right, and then it's quite dark, right, for eyelashes and things here. And this just like curves itself back down here. Right, so it's quite dark and big. And then we have another eyelid sort of line coming down from that, right? So these are like supposed to be eyelashes, but they've done it in like real dark black. And then the bottom, eyelash comes up, and it's quite thick on the edge again. And then pupil and iris just here in the corner. And she's looking sort of down this way. Okay, this kind of thing. So her eyebrow, just here, comes up, and it's much smaller now than the other one because it goes around the back of her head. Like so, right? Right, so then her mouth, so her lips, right? So we got this like curved line, big lips, big female lips, curves down there. Curve around the other side, like that. Bottom lip. Around like so, and her mouth is like slightly open, right? So we've got this sort of gap. So a bit tricky, but we'll go up and down here. Like so. So it looks like it's closed now, but we'll just sort of open it up. Like that, right? Tricky enough to draw delicate sort of lines, but and then we have a line on the top lip and under the bottom lip. And then her chin. Like so. And like roughly, right, so top of the eye there to the nostril, about the same as nostril to chin. So here to here is about the same as here to here. That space and that space are about the same. And then this space to the bottom lip, see bottom of the nose to the bottom lip, is about the same as bottom lip to chin. Okay? So then you can kind of draw her jaw then. So it kind of like comes up. And it gently curves, right? It's not like a male jaw. It doesn't go and then change. It's like a gentle sort of curve up towards her ear. And on this side, because we're in 3/4 pose, we go different. So it curves in towards the lips and then out for her cheek. And then around that cheek goes up to her eyelashes. And then we go around the eyebrow and up to her forehead and hairline, which starts to get a bit hairy just up here. So her hairline, like her hairline is just like zigzag sort of lines, right? Like across like that. And she has quite long hair, so we've got like these long flowing sort of parts of her hair here, which come out from this middle section. And there's like another long one here. Right, and then the other side, which comes around. It comes down along. This one goes behind her shoulder somewhere here. But we've got all these like texture lines and stuff all in here. It's a real long hair. Like this goes down behind her ear and stuff. It's a real long hair now. And her ear is just in here, so it's kind of like just behind this piece of hair. So it curves up and around. And it goes down to this big like circular earring just here. And we got like some ear lines inside. And this earring sort of dangles down there. And then more texture lines on her hair. So you just keep adding lines like that until you're satisfied with how it looks. Right, so then her neck, it just comes down here from the chin. And the back of the neck, just here, comes down behind the suit collar, but we've got like some neck muscle lines just there. So long, sort of slender neck, like so. And then the suit jacket comes down that way. I'm not finishing the hair down here because it goes behind her shoulder, so I'll do her shoulders first. Right, and then the suit jacket just comes down, meets the center there. And she has hair that like sits on her shoulder, see? Here. And like the suit jacket goes back that way. Right, and you've got like collars on this. And like some more hairlines just here. And then you can add some more texture on her hair. There's like a single strand on its own here. Like another section of hair. Right, and then, let's see, so her collar on this side, it's got this triangular shape to it going down there, and then it's got like an edge line, and then her shoulder will go off here, so big suit jacket sort of shoulder. Sort of fold lines and stuff, and then this one sort of sticks up, points up a little bit, and then goes down. Like so, and then like some more texture lines on her hair. And she has a snowflake sort of necklace on, right? So we'll go for the chain, just going down this way. And then on this side, down there. And this seems to have like dots. So, and then this sort of snowflake kind of thing. So it's white, right? But I'll have to do it in black. So if you like were trying to color this in, it would be white. But you know, if you're drawing with pencil, you could do that. But because I'm using a black ink marker, just adding collarbones there, sorry. I got to do this black. So straight line there. Going that way, and then across here, okay? And then we have limbs sort of going out either side of it. Like so. Okay, so I think that's everything. I think your pupils might be too big. Alright, just gonna change that. I'm gonna change it while I'm here because I think they might be just a bit too big. I'll try to do that again. Sorry. Okay, let's try her eyes again. So sorry about that. Sometimes these markers, like, they bleed. They get like, things get like bigger. So I'll try this again. I'm gonna try to go for smaller pupils. Sorry now if this has like ruined your day. But look, accidents happen. And we gotta move and react. maybe a little longer down here. Okay, and then we'll go, so we'll try and get it in the same spot. So we go, let's go for the middle here. Right, we'll just, okay, I think that looks a little bit better. Okay, bit better. Okay, I think I'll stop. That is Snow White from Wolf Amongst Us. Come on, eyes. Work for me. Why are the eyes so weird? She's got like these doll eyes. Okay, that looks okay. I'll stop there. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.